If you want to enhance your WhatsApp security by removing old devices that have access to your account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your security settings effectively. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen for Android or the bottom right corner for iOS to open the menu. Select settings from the drop-down list. Step 3. Navigate to security. In the settings menu, look for the account option and tap on it. Then, find and select security to access your security settings. Step 4. View active sessions. Within the security section, look for an option that says active sessions or linked devices. This will show you all the devices currently connected to your WhatsApp account. Step 5. Remove old devices. Review the list of active sessions. For any device you no longer use or recognize, tap on it and select the option to log out or remove. Confirm your choice to ensure the device is disconnected. By following these steps, you can easily manage and secure your WhatsApp account by removing old devices. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your information safe.